This is the Stoquist Edge PFD, one of our most versatile life jackets. This economical side zip PFD is ideal for whitewater kayaking, stand-up paddleboarding, sailing, and excellent for canoeing and kayak touring. The Edge has a minimalist low-profile design with wide armholes to give paddlers and sailors maximum mobility without getting in the way or chafing. The ergonomically articulated Rapture pre-curved foam hugs the body, and graded sizing ensures a personalized fit, especially for very small and very large people. The nice thing about side entry PFDs is that they have a single piece of foam in the front that conforms to your torso, whereas a front entry PFD has two pieces of foam that hinge at the zipper. The Edge has 7 points of adjustment, 2 on each side, 2 shoulder adjustments, and a waist buckle. The shoulder straps are padded and won't chafe your skin when you're only wearing a swimsuit. And the sides are mesh for maximum ventilation. We put one large top-loading front pocket on the Edge for secure storage and easy accessibility with drainage so that it doesn't fill with water. Like all Stoquist PFDs, we placed high-visibility 3M reflective accents on the front and back so you'll be seen on the water. The outer fabric is made of ripstop nylon for durability. For more information or to buy an Edge PFD, check out our website at Stoquist.com or visit your local Stoquist retailer.
Perception's latest lifestyle-inspired recreational kayak, the Joyride. The Joyride series of sit-inside kayaks are designed to be easy to paddle, feature-rich, and flat-out fun. Perfect for enjoying flat or slow-moving waters, the exceptionally stable, straight tracking, and easy turning design gives new paddlers a boat that will grow with them as their skills progress and is equally fun for more experienced paddlers. It's also lightweight and compact, so it's easy to carry and easy to store. The spacious sit-in cockpit is easy to get in and out of, and the thick, ventilated, premium padded seat with contoured backrest offers industry-leading adjustability. The heart and soul of the Joyride is the conveniently clever entertainment center dashboard, a hub for staging your electronics and gear right within your reach for an enhanced on-water experience. The dashboard features the patent-pending selfie slot, a totally unique way to stage your smartphone and capture and share your best on-water moments. Also located on the dashboard is the Solo Mount accessory system. With the Perception Solo Mount base, enables easy installation of a wide variety of accessories and mounts to hold phones, tablets, speakers, cameras, fishing rods, fish finders, cup holders, and much more. Top it off with a 2-position water bottle holder and gear trays equipped with quick lash bungee for extra security while out on the water. Gearing up to spend all day on the water is a breeze with the spacious hinged hatch dry storage compartment, allowing you to easily access your stowed items of nearly any shape or size. As with all Perception kayaks, the Joyride was proudly designed, molded, and hand-assembled in the USA.
Hi, my name is Mariah, and today I'm going to introduce the Malibu 2 XL from Ocean Kayak. The length of this boat is 13 feet 4 inches long. It's 34 inches wide. One of the great things about the Malibu 2 XL is that you can customize this boat to meet your needs. There are 3 sections on this boat where you can add hatches. There are 2 round hatch areas and 1 oval hatch area. There are 2 seats that come standard with this boat. They are called the Comfort Plus seat. There's one in the front and one in the rear. Another great feature about this Ocean Kayak Malibu 2 XL is that it is designed to be a tandem kayak. However, with the moving of one seat, this boat can become a solo paddling kayak as well. The Malibu 2 XL has a carrying weight of 68 pounds and a maximum capacity of 500 pounds. The reason that I most enjoy the Malibu 2 XL is the fact that it is great for both family as well as the individual paddler. It's a great all-around kayak that can be paddled in open water as well as some rivers and some streams.